When you want to parallel park, the first thing you need to do before you even start to slow down for the maneuver is turn on your signal. That way, anyone coming up behind you who might be expecting you to continue forward aren't so surprised when you flat out stop to park. Hopefully. And just like any time you're about to make a turn, check your mirror and your blind spot. Pull forward next to the car in front of your parking space until their rear bumper is lined up with the middle of your tire or back seat. Then come to a full stop. Now turn your steering wheel all the way to the right and carefully back up, keeping the wheel in that position until the back bumper of the car in front of your parking spot lines up with the front right corner of your car's bumper, coming to a stop once you do. You can tell if you've done this right if you are at about a 45-degree angle when compared to the curb. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left and back up slowly into your parking spot so that you are within 1 foot from the curb. Straighten out your steering wheel and adjust your parking job as necessary, bearing in mind that you will need a little room in front of your vehicle to maneuver out of your parking spot when you leave. When you're ready to head out, be sure to use your arm and turn signals, as well as check your mirrors and your blind spot, as if you were turning or changing lanes. Just using your turn signals might not be effective since you'll have a car behind you blocking the lights from the sight of oncoming traffic. Back up until you can see the tires of the car in front of you touching the ground, then you'll have enough maneuvering room to hit the road once again.